Want to manage multiple Tesla vehicles from a single app? It's easy. The Tesla app allows you to link an unlimited number of vehicles to one account, letting you control settings like charging, remote access, and software updates for each car. This is perfect for families or businesses with multiple Teslas. Adding a second or third or fourth Tesla involves linking each car's unique vehicle identification number, VIN, to your Tesla account through the app. We will walk through the process of downloading the app, accessing the account menu, adding the vehicle, verifying, and linking the app. Let's get your second Tesla linked. First, download the latest Tesla app from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store and log in to your existing account. Make sure the app is up to date. Next, tap the menu icon 3 lines in the top left corner, then select your profile icon. Scroll down to Vehicles and tap Add Vehicle. You can either manually enter the new vehicle's VIN or scan the QR code from the car's touchscreen, which can be found under Controls, Software, QR code. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify ownership. This might involve email confirmation or two-factor authentication. Once verified, the app will sync with the vehicle, which may take a few minutes. After it's linked, you can customize the vehicle's settings and even assign it to a vehicle group for easier management. If you run into any issues, ensure the car is online and not already linked to another account. Contact Tesla support through the app for further assistance.